ওকে, এখানে বিভিন্ন রকমের আছে, আর একটা বাইনারি ইমেজও আছে, সেটা আমরা পরে যাব। আর ইমেজ প্রসেসিং, দেয়ার ইজ দ্য থিং ইজ দ্যাট ইমেজ প্রসেসিং মিন্স পিক্টোরিয়াল ইনফরমেশন ইম্প্রুভমেন্ট। We can do improvement about it. Okay, so improvement can be done. So if we acquire while we are storing in computer, while we are acquiring the image, and thereafter it is storing in our while we are taking the photograph in mobile, that one is stored in our memory chip, or while we are taking photograph from camera, that is also being after being acquisition, then it is stored in a memory chip of the camera. So after that we can process it in a different way. Okay, so this is the thing: process it, store it, transmit it, represent it for machine perception also. Autonomous machine perception means actually the machine learning is coming here. Okay, so all these things will come to that type of things. So you can do a lot of things, but in JPG, such as white balance can be also changed. Okay, daylight, the things will change automatically. We can change the exposure also, we can change the highlight also. Okay, so these things are interesting, but the things of theory are not interesting, but you have to know the things because it is a semester and you have to know about it. So these are the processing part. Actually I am doing the processing there. So now we come to the next level. First, from image processing, computer vision, what we have low level processing first, then a mid level processing is also there, there is high level processing is also there. So input an image is given. Low level processing means this, all these things which I am doing in this Lightroom and all those things, these are actually low level processing. Okay, low level processing, just I am sharpening it, I am adding some clarity to it, so it is becoming clear. Vibrance, the thing is that I want to show you that vibrance you can increase and saturation you can decrease. Mainly people are saying while editing. Okay, so this is actually you cannot learn in a single day. Sharpening, I am increasing the sharpening, so if I make it larger, so you can see the grains are present there. So I am taking the luminance also, increasing the luminance, so some of them has been erased, but the clarity has been lost, but it can't be able to seen when I am making it smaller. Okay, so in this way we have to understand that how much extent we can able to do it. So that is the main thing, how much extent I will keep it, so that the editing does not mean become too much higher. Okay, so this is one portion. So another portion is that object recognition, segmentation. This part is in the mid level of processing. Object, that this one is a key, this one pattern recognition, this one is a bottle, so they can able to recognize those things. So at that time, here actually already programming is written, there also programming we have to write, and those codes are little much more harder than this one. Then comes to the point of high level. High level, that means actually autonomous navigation, scene understanding. That means autonomous means such as some of the cars and all those things, it do not require any driver. It can able to detect that anything is coming or not. Okay, anything is blocking it or not, so it can drive along with the GPRS system. Okay, so what happens while we are doing photography, actually we have to remain in this low level process only. Mid level we do not have to know, but we must learn about it also. If we want to make some camera, one day we have to we will see that those who cannot able to take photograph well, there are some rules are also there in photography. So the scene will be detected by it, and it will say that in this manner if you take at this angle the photograph, then this photograph will be better. Okay, so that research is going on that field. So sometime it will be in field also. Okay, some history of the digital image. One of the digital image, very earlier, this image were transferred by a submarine cable between London and New York, means for printing purpose. So actually at that time what happens with dotted means the photograph has been sent, and with the help of telegraph and all those things they have created this image, a digital image. So it is in 1920. So actually the revolution does not came and at that time, because 1920 to near about 2000 so much development, 2000 not, near about 1980 so much development has not taken place. After that, means from 1991 to whenever this our Windows and all those things came, at that time, and computer also came, personal computer and all those started to came, at that time slowly this image processing also came into field, too much of. So in 1920 তে তো আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে এত বাজেই ছবি হতো, কিন্তু তখনকার দিনে এটাই বিশাল যে ছবি তুলতে পেরেছে, এটাই সাধারণ লোকেদের ছবি তোলা হতো না, মানে অসাধারণ ব্যক্তিত্ব না থাকলে তাদের ছবি তোলা হবে না। তো এখানে হচ্ছে কি ডিজিটাল ইমেজটা কিছুটা ইমপ্রুভ করেছে, তারপরে আরো কিছু টোনস দিয়ে আর্লি ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে গিয়ে দুটো কালার দিয়েও আমরা কিন্তু ইমেজ বানাতে পারি, খালি দুটো কালার ব্ল্যাক আর হোয়াইট, সেটাকে বলা হবে বাইনারি ইমেজ। তারপরে ধীরে ধীরে ইমেজ প্রসেসিং গুলো চালু হয়েছে। ওকে, মিড লেট 1980s এ কিছু ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট হয়েছে, 1960তেও তখন আরো কিছু ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট এসছে, ঠিক আছে। তখন হচ্ছে গিয়ে কম্পিউটারস ইউজ টু ইমপ্রুভ দ্য কোয়ালিটি অফ ইমেজেস, মুন থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে, মুন থেকে মুনের ইমেজ, এটা বলতাম পিকচার অফ দ্য মুনেরই ইমেজ নেওয়া হয়েছে, রেঞ্জার 7 প্রোব বলে একটা আছে, বিফোর ল্যান্ডিং। তো এরকম ভাবে ইমেজিং আমাদের কোথায় না ইউজ হয়, ইট ইজ ইউজড অ্যাট এভরি প্লেসেস। সিটি স্ক্যান, কোনো শরীর খারাপ হলে সেখানে উই হ্যাভ টু ইউজ দিস ইমেজিং প্রসেসিং। ওকে, আর এখনকার দিনে তো সেটা দিয়ে এখন লার্নিংও হচ্ছে। এখন দেখবে আর্টিফিশিয়াল ইন্টেলিজেন্স বা এআই রিলেটেড কাজের মধ্যে মেনলি কাজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে যে মানে হাউ টু ডিটেক্ট দিস ইমেজ, হাউ টু কিপ দিস ইমেজ, মানে মেডিকেল ইমেজিং খুব বেশি পার্ট নিয়ে নিচ্ছে। মানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে যেমন সাম অফ দ্য অ্যাকচুয়ালি হোয়াট দে ডু, সিটি স্ক্যান, সাম পিপল ইজ ইনফেক্টেড, think that anyone is infected with cancer or some tumor and all those things. So different types of images already what they have gathered, if they train the machine in that manner so that they can able to detect, means otherwise it will take a lot of time, they have to do a lot of study. So if a database is make like that, and their data set, actually a data set is make like that, so that they can able to easily detect that worldwide data set if present, then they will able to detect that what is occurring to this particular human, and they can able to say the right thing. If something it happens that they cannot able to detect it takes so much of time, so at that time patient's condition is CT scan করে বলে দিচ্ছে, অনেক জায়গায় কম্পেয়ার করে বলে দেওয়া যাচ্ছে যে you have this disease, বা আমরা বলি যে আমাদের কলকাতায় অত ভালো ট্রিটমেন্ট হয় না, so we go to south, there actually the treatment occurs well, because why they occurs, they have more good one thing is that there they do not do business, there also they do business, but the amount is little, and actually what has happened they will say. Okay, so that is the thing. So they are also taking means investing on large on this machine learning and all those things, how to do, many research papers are there, many fields are there nowadays, they are giving a lot of amount of grant on this machine learning with medical imaging. Okay, so let me shift from it. So there are different types of enhancement as also there. Image 1980s I have said, no, from 1980s the use of digital image processing techniques has become more, such as image enhancement, restoration, medical visualization, human computer interfaces, that means HCI. With that we can able to do means such as if I am gesturing something, so for that thing if I am moving my hand something is occurring. Okay, so all these things are coming into today's life. Such as here one example is given, such as DIP quality. So first of all they are taking an X-ray and then image processing is done and it can be clearly seen from it. Here one circuit box is kept and here we have done the median filtering, and median filtering it has changed, improved the quality. If you can't able to see, let me show you. Improved, the quality has been improved. Such as in my photograph, I am also applying in this Lightroom. Actually while I am doing the sharpening, if I make it enlarge, actually while I am making it sharpening, so what happens if I do not give masking portion or luminance portion, then what happens? Here some dots or noise are coming. So to remove, actually we are not removing, actually we are averaging the pixels. So for that reason we are averaging the pixels and we are removing this slowly. So some portion, it seems that some portion of the noise has been removed. Okay, while we will reduce it, actually at that time we will not see this portion. Okay, so in this manner it is occurring. Then another thing is that through GPS system some picture has been taken, so by contrast stretching or something else, so by contrast stretching and all those things, let me move downwards a little. By this one, see that with satellite they have taken this image and they have converted this image to this one, so that we can able to properly we will see also here that how we can able to convert this one. Okay, so another thing is that such as here, such as Hubble telescope 1990, so from there the picture they are taking by the help of image processing, they are means quality, they can able to detect the whole thing. Otherwise they cannot able to take the whole scene of the thing, means the stars cannot be seen, all those things cannot be seen properly. For need of this clarity, we need to fix all these things. Okay, some of the things such as these are the movies and all those things. We have some special effects and visual effects also, such as here is a human. Actually this screen is there. Actually when we will you can see behind the scenes some YouTube videos are shown. Actually we will plant him, this man will be planted in somewhere else. Okay, while fighting and all those things, these things will be shown. পিছনে যেমন এই যে ক্রোমা বলে, ব্লু কালারের একটা ব্লু কালারটা খুব বেশি থাকে না, কিন্তু গ্রিন কালারটা থাকে। গ্রিন কালারটা থাকলে কি হয়, গ্রিন কালারটাকে সরিয়ে দিয়ে অন্য কোনো সিনের মধ্যে ওকে ঢুকিয়ে দিতে পারি, যে কোনোভাবেই আমি ঢুকিয়ে দিতে পারি। আমি যেমন এখানে বলছি, যদি আমার মোবাইল দিয়ে ক্যামেরা থাকে, আমার পিছনে যদি একটা ব্লু কালারের স্ক্রিন থাকে, কিছু সফটওয়্যারস আছে তাতে করে আমি এখানে নিচের দিকে আমার মুখটা দেখাতে পারবো। শুধু আমার মুখটা থাকবে, কিছু পিপিটিতে দেখা যায় যে মুখটা থাকবে, সে বলে দিচ্ছে যে দিস ওয়ান ইজ অকারিং ইন দিস ম্যানার অ্যান্ড দিস ম্যানার, যেটা লেকচারটা আমি দিচ্ছি সেখানে আমাকেও দেখা যাবে, বা আমাকে একটা জঙ্গলের মধ্যেও আমি দেখিয়ে দিতে পারি। ওকে, সো দিস আর দ্য থিংস উইচ উই হ্যাভ, কিন্তু তার জন্য আমাকে স্টাডি করতে হবে। যেমন এখানে মেডিসিনের ব্যাপারে বলছে, MRI স্ক্যান অফ canine heart and find the boundaries type tissue